Hello everyone and welcome back to my workshop where I will be showing you part 2 of my first video. So where I connected the room switch and the light, and I'm going to take the power from the same room into the other room. So okay, let's go and have a look and how I'm going to do this. Okay, there you are. Welcome to my workshop. Okay, so this is a second ceiling rose, and it's another switch, and I will be dividing. Say this is a second room, and this is a first room, and this ceiling rose is from the first room, and I will be taking the power from here into this ceiling rose. Okay, and then from there I will be taking from this wire from this switch into the ceiling rose. Okay, so it should be like this. Okay, and this will be connected across there. So okay, let's start. Thank you. Okay, so I will be taking power from this ceiling rose from room 1 into the second room and switch into the second room as well. Okay, so I just strip these wires, and I'm going to put it through this hole here. Okay, what I'm going to do is put on this side. I think it's easier. Okay, and this is a loop. You can see this is a loop, so I'm going to put this power live from this loop. Okay, and then this neutral goes to this side of the neutral. So this is one full conductor as a neutral, and this is a loop conductor, one full. You can connect it anywhere, 1, 2, 3 in any line. It is one conductor, and this is the light conductor. This is one conductor, so live positive. So okay, so I'm going to connect this to neutral. Hopefully. Not easy, it's very hard wires, these. So it's a 1.5 mil wires connected. So I have live connected to the loop going to the next ceiling rose, live and then neutral. I'm going to connect this earth wire, CPC wires, okay, into the earth terminal here. Okay, there it is. So you can actually twist it and turn into double twist and bend, but I'm just showing you this is the way it should be connected. Okay, so now I have connected this power into the other side. So I'm going to cut this blank. Okay. This is very hard. So I'm going to bring this here, put these wires through here, and I'm going to strip this side, and make sure it's not too long. Right, so I'm going to put this into the loop. Okay, just undo these connectors, terminals. Okay. Okay. So here it is. I'm going to put this loop straight into this. You can pick up any one you like, but I just use the middle one. Okay. And then I'm going to put neutral into this. You can see. Neutral is connected, so I'm going to put this earth wire into the earth terminal, little terminal here. So I'll make sure everything's in here. So I'm going to put this to that terminal. Can't find it. So there, it's about that. There. Okay, so I'm going to do is this. As you can see, it says earth, and that is live, switch live. That's a loop, and this neutral. Okay, so this one you can put in a okay. So I put the sleeves on, sleeve to the earth wire, and I connect it to this. There you go. Right. Now, I'm going to connect this ceiling pendant. As you can see from there, I put the neutral in here. Okay. Okay. It's not very nice, so let's do it again. Okay. Undo this. Okay. And this. This. Right. So the power is completed from this side, from this ceiling rose into this ceiling rose. Okay. So now I have to do is connect the switch from there into this. I will be repeating the same process whatever I did there, same exercise. So one wire will go through the loop that will pick up the positive, the live. I know why I say keep positive, because I normally work on the DC electronics digital system, so I just keep saying positive and negative. So in this case it's live and the neutral. Okay, so let's put this wire from switch to this rose so we can switch it on. Okay, right. Okay, so this wire I'm going to put the sleeve on the blue wire, so this identifies that it is alive. Okay, and I'm going to pick it up from this loop. You see, live. Okay, and then the other one, this side will go into the switch on the top of the switch, and from the bottom of the switch it goes back from here all the way into this, and that switch circuit is complete then. Okay, let's put this way. Okay, I'm going to put the entry through this side. So I mean, this is going to be on the ceiling anyway, so and all screwed from these two holes properly. You bring the wires in and you stand underneath, you cut it, and then you can easily put these wires in. Now actually I'm having difficulties, it's in my hand, as you can see, so never mind. Okay, I'm going to put this, and this side, this time this is become live. Okay, so as you can see, it's got sleeve on it. I'm going to make the sleeve forward. As you can see, sleeve. So this become symbol that has become live. This wire is live. So, and then this is become through the switch to the light. Okay, so I don't want to put that now. I'll show you when I finish this through the switch. So I'm going to put this sleeve on, and for the earth wire, let's make sure it's sort of right size. Okay. Yeah. So what I'm going to do is this. So I'm going to put this in here. You can see. Okay. So I will go in and close it. Screw it back in. Okay. Right, so I'm going to leave this wire out. Oh, oops, this is not done properly. Okay, let's just try this again. Okay. Fine. Okay, just a tea arrived. Thank you very much. That's nice tea. What's in there? It's a herbal tea, I suppose. Oh, lovely. Okay. Okay, so this wire, okay, it's going to be going in here to the live side of the switch of the light, and now I'm going to put this sleeve on. So this has become live through the switch. Okay, so this is see, so this will go at the top of the switch, you can see. Okay, so I'm going to close this. Okay, and this is going to be the bottom of the switch for L1 or L2, whatever you. Okay, I have connected this live through the switch, and then the top is sleeved as positive. Live. I keep saying positive, as I mentioned before. It's a live wire. Now from this side, from this loop into the top of the switch, and from there it's become on, and the current flow through here and back into this, and the light comes on. So I'm going to put the light on now, see if this bulb working, and this is okay. Okay, so this is connected now. You can see from there the main comes in from this ceiling rose into this, and then through the switch, and goes back to the light. So now I can switch on. Yeah, and this as well. So this is room 1 and room 2. Okay, thank you, and I hope you like the my setup and explanation, and I hope you subscribe. And the last one I was going to show you is this is the drawings, just a sketch I did. First the distribution unit into the room 1 and then room 2. I've taken the power from the room 1 ceiling rose and to the second room, and this way you can carry on one room to another, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rooms on top. So next time I will be explaining the MCB and RCB and RCCB, how they work in the circuit. Thank you very much, and I hope you subscribe and hit the bell. Thank you.